Today in the Pig Lab, we're going to discuss the Viper's industrial sanitary product recovery pigging systems and the pigs designed for their application. Custom designed and built with the highest quality stainless steel and production methods, our systems are capable of complete automation. Sensors detect the presence of the pigs in the process system and communicate their position with a PLC. The pigs become part of the production and CIP process and are launched and retrieved automatically. Product recovery systems are available in sizes 1 inch through 6 inch. Our Vipers and Sud pigs provide a highly efficient cleaning action for smaller bore pipes. These pigs are ideally suited to separating dissimilar products, evacuating and recovering valuable products, and total line evacuation. Where cleanliness is paramount, the pigs are thoroughly washed in patented cleaning chambers to 3A standards. The Vipers and Sud pigs range in size from 3/4 of an inch to 12 inch, 4 wiping discs or 8 wiping discs. They are FDA approved, are single cast, and are safe with no removable parts. They accommodate variations in pipe IDs of the same nominal size. They are highly flexible with different durometer and color options, and they can be run at low pressures. Thank you, and remember, Inline keeps the industry flowing.